Are you also planning to join ISA? Watch this first. So, hi everyone, I am Ayantika, a second year BSMS student at ISA Berhampur. And in today's video, I want to talk to all of you who are dreaming or planning to join ISA. Trust me or not, it's an amazing place, but not everyone's cup of tea. Let's first talk about the mindset. Now, if you are thinking that you are joining this college and the college will be full of clubs, night parties, pubs, and chilling 24 into 7, then you are so wrong. Because ISIS are research focused institute and you can't expect to chill 24 into 7 free. You can definitely enjoy your life, but maybe a little different from others, like from learning, exploring science, or maybe like being surrounded around people who are equally passionate about this. Here is the truth. If you think that like other colleges you are also going to study a night before exam and that will be fine, then that's again so wrong, because that will just be a kind of rote learning and nothing more. In case you truly want to become a researcher, then you have to be in constant touch with your studies, and that's how it works. Now let me break down our academic calendar so that you get an idea of the workload. Okay, so the academic session starts from the first week of August, and then by mid-September we get our mid-semester exam. After that there is a small break of 14 to 15 days, and then again the classes resume, and after that by the end of November or by the first week of December we get our end semester exams, and that's the end of a single semester. And then we get a winter vacation for around a month. But for the first year students, their session starts a little late, and that's why their end semester exams end by mid-December, and they hardly get a vacation of 1 to 2 weeks. Now, during this winter break, one can explore short-term internships or workshops, or may also participate in ISER level meets like IICM and IISM, which are Inter-ISER Cultural Meet and Inter-ISER Sports Meet respectively. And then the next semester begins by the first week of January, and then around mid of February or by the first week of March we get our end semester exams, and then again the classes resume. After that we have our final exams, the end semester exam of that session, and that take place by around the first week of May. And then comes the period of real vacation, which is of 2.5 months on an average. So students generally apply for an internship during this period and is not calculated inside the BSMS curriculum. It is not compulsory, so there is no need of any report submissions, nothing. It's just about learning and gaining hands-on experience. So yeah, the rhythm is intense, and if your idea of college is just chilling, roaming day and night, and then cramming a night or day before the exam, then I say it's not the right place for you. But yes, if you're passionate about science and you're curious about how the world works, and you believe in yourself, you have faith in yourself, then yes, definitely ISA is the right place for you. Just be mentally prepared. It's not always easy. Everyone feels low. Even I sometimes, like, often I feel low and overwhelmed, but that's not an issue and that's not a big deal. It's a part of the process, and that's how it works. And no, I'm not saying that ISER is all about studying. It's not that. We do have fests, we do have sports, clubs, and other fun activities too. But you should learn how to manage both your academics and all these parts together. And if I talk about our class schedule, then that's again a hectic one. If you want to know about the class schedules and all, then let me know in the comment section. I'll make another video regarding this. But be mentally prepared before you are joining ISERs. Don't expect fun always, and be sure that you are always going to be in touch with your studies throughout the year. Last but not the least, do remember that ISERs are great opportunities, but only for those who are passionate about science. Don't come here just because it sounds cool. Come here if you want to do science. Thank you. Hit the subscribe button, and if you have any queries or you want to know anything about ISERs, do let me know in the comment section.